Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Trading with Eddie. Today we're gonna talk about Binance Earn. Now I will teach you a tutorial on how you can do Binance Earn. Basically, you can earn a fixed APY. Basically, this is like a bank essentially for crypto. Okay, we are using Binance as our exchange. Now before that, I want to talk about something that is very interesting, ApeCoin. Look at ApeCoin, guys. This token just launched. Now, if you play NFT, you will know what is ApeCoin. This is one of the, largest project in the NFT world. Okay, so this is why it's pumping like crazy. But anyway, okay, today we're gonna talk about Binance Earn. You can go to your wallet here, open your Binance app, and then go to Earn. You will see a yellow button here, subscribe to Earn. So you will see a coin on the left hand side, and then you can see the estimate APY in the middle, and then the duration. Now you will see two things: lock staking, fixed savings, and flexible savings. What are the difference? A lock meaning that you are locked. When you see lock here, you will see the duration. Basically, you cannot pull out the money when it is within the duration. Okay, you can only pull out the money or withdraw the money beyond the duration. Okay guys, that's mean lock. And when flexible, you can pull out your money or withdraw your money anytime. So this is called flexible savings or flexible staking. And you can see the APY here. Depending on the coins, obviously a bigger market cap coin will have lower APY. You can sort this from the lowest APY to the highest APY. Now usually if you want to keep things stable, you want to save in USDT, because USDT is pegged to a US dollar, so it's always 1-to-1 ratio. It should be 1-to-1 ratio with the US dollar. So this is something you can do. Now you will see right here, I already put $500 a few days ago, and I already make 0.41. Now 10% a year, guys. Think about it. How much your bank pays in your country? Okay, if for me in Indonesia, so you can see in Indonesia is around 2% a year for like savings account, or if in bonds, you can see in Indonesia the bonds yield is around 6-7%. Even it beats bonds. Okay guys, if you see on US, I don't know how much US bond is. It's around like 2%. Okay, and savings account, I don't know how much is it. It's even worse than my country. So you can see why this is like the new era when we are talking about saving our money, right? And as you know, Binance is the largest crypto exchange. It's kind of essentially like the largest bank in the world for crypto. Okay, so you can put your money here, and it is definitely safer, because Binance even got hacked back then, and they were able to pay back the money to their users because they have this Seifu. You can do more research on Binance Seifu. So Binance have this secure asset funds for user. Basically, they take their trading fee, they keep it, a percentage of them, and they hold it so that they were able to pay the users in case something happened. Okay, that's why Binance is so much safer if you were to compare to like the traditional banks. Okay, and you can see the interest rate, we can earn it even daily, guys. Now $500, if you see here, $500, if I multiply by 10%, we get $50. Now if I divide it by 365 days, you can see every day I should make 0.1369 on my $500 investment. And I've already invested for 3 days, guys. If I multiply by 3, you can see the interest rate is matching. Okay, it's 0.41097. If I were to have like $100,000 here, I could make around $10,000 a month if I divide it by 365, it's around $27 a day. And this is definitely a much safer than if you play with other coins or if you do trading. But again guys, the estimate APY could change. Okay, this could change. They are subject to change daily. All of these can change. Alright guys, and it's up to you which one you want to choose. You can choose Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 5%. Fixed savings for USDT is like 5%. I personally choose this one, the 10% one. And BNB, I mean BNB is not bad here, is 13%, 120 days lock staking. Definitely if you are involved in Terra Luna, there is also Anchor protocol. Currently they are giving around, I think 20% on their UST. I will talk more about this in a later video guys. You can see the APY is around 20%, which is much higher. Maybe I will do a video if you guys are interested on this. You can connect your wallet. Basically, you can put your money here as well. UST is similar to USDT. This is just for the Terra or Luna. Okay, that's the only difference. If you guys are interested, you know, I can make a video and I will show you. Again guys, these all are subject to change. Okay, this is the current annualized deposit rate. It used to be Aave. Aave was very popular, and Curve. Now Aave interest rate is not as much as it used to be. Okay, this is the problem why, and I don't really want to put the money here, because you know, even if using futures, my AntBot made me 60% return last month. Okay, using AntBot. If you play future, you can see my futures here, my future wallet. You can see here, I put $2,000, I already make $3,000, so $1,000 profit. Okay, definitely I will share to you more about my future result using bot. But anyway, just want to show you how to use Earn, Binance Earn. So you know, let's say you want to subscribe here. You can, let's say you want this one, you can click on it and you can enter amount. Okay, it will take it from your spot wallet. I have 331, I can put 300 here, and then I can just, I have read and agree to Binance Savings Service Agreement, and then I can confirm. Okay, and you can see the estimated interest rate right there. If you have any question guys, if you have any request, you can do let me know. And in the meantime, you can watch this video how I make money with Binance Future.